Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a look with the Morphe 35B palette, and that looks like this. I already went ahead and did my brows and my concealer on my eyes for primer, and I used the Benefit Cosmetics eyebrow pencil color 4.5. I also used the ColourPop concealer in Fair 02, so I defined my brows, and yeah, so here we go. So this is the final look that I did, and I really enjoyed putting it together. This was for Pride Month, obviously, LGBT community. So I'm going to go over some of the things I did use real quick. Like I said, the Morphe 35B palette. This palette, it is still one of my favorites. It's very colorful. Before the James Charles one came out, this was the palette that everybody was go-to. I also used the Alley Crown fake lashes that I got from Amazon, which is $8. Caution mascara that I used Maybelline New York gel eyeliner for my waterline, and I used the ColourPop concealer, which is the color Fair 02. I'm pretty white, I know. And yeah, that was pretty much it. I used that actually in the beginning to prime my eyes, which I've never done before, but I did like the way it turned out. I love everything, and yeah, so I hope you guys did too. Like I said, please like, comment, and subscribe if you like what I did, if it was cool, if you want to see more, and yeah, so thanks guys for watching.